So everyone, Mazes okay. This is live in TBS Lagos. Excuse me, sir. This is live in TBS Lagos. The Lagos never expected what they are seeing. This is what we call total shutdown. P2B will be here in the next 2 to 3 hours. It is already choked. So what you people need to understand is, I will show you the crowd. Mazes okay is here live. We will still go live. My team today we split into 3. I have a team of 4 cameras with 1 drone already. 4 cameras with 1 drone. Then we have another team of 3 cameras with His Excellency, right? So what you guys need to know is Ego Shock. So look at these people. So So I told us Lagos choke. Nasiam, I told us Lagos choke. We are obediently obedient. Lagos choke. Everywhere para. 1 minute here.
Yes, so, good morning. This is Obedient Movement in Lagos State. My name is Richard, World Chairman, Ward E, Kenya Local Government.
Okay.
And
so why are you voting for Peter? Why are you working for Peter, not Agbado?
Sir, the reason is
Hold on,
not far-fetched.
So,
yes, the reason is not far-fetched. Why? Because if you look at all the leading candidates, Peter is the most credible, reliable, and in terms of character, it has everything to rule this country. So for me, I don't need anybody to convince me because I'm already convinced.
And it's not about tribe, right?
if I'm scared to vote, I say I should graduate towards the Yoruba because we are more closer. So for me, it's all about trying. It's competence and capacity.
Thank you. Thank you. So guys, so like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't. So we are live. I'm heading to go into the backstage, right? So, hi, how are you? So where are you guys coming from? Okay, you guys are Sulere guys. So you see, everywhere you go, obedient all the way. Let me show us again.